In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a blog on Tumblr. But before we do that, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps and it allows me to create awesome tutorials for you guys. So let's get on to it. Let's go to tumblr.com. When the page loads, we're going to create a new account. So we're going to click Get Started. And we're going to accept. Get started. Okay, so I can enter the email address. You can enter a password. I'm going to enter a username. Then we're going to click sign up. And we're going to put our age. Click the button for I've read and understand the terms and conditions, and then click next. And then we've got a captcha. I can never pronounce that properly. I am not a robot. Now the page is loading. Internet feels very slow. Okay, so all we need to do, because we've just created our account, we just need to select 5 different categories that we're interested in. So I'm just going to click the first 5 in front of me. And then click next in the top right hand corner. Excellent. So now all we need to do, if we want to post to our blog that we've just created, you have the option at the top to do a post which is just text. You can do a post that's got a photo, quote, link, chat, audio, or video. If we click on our account and click on Simian YouTube, we can see that we have no post, but we're just going to do a post right now just to test. The title's going to be we're going to put a hashtag of YouTube. So the title is YouTube test. The message is please sub. We've got a hashtag there, which is hashtag YouTube, and we're going to click post. But on the right hand side, you have the option to, if we just select some text, you have the option to bold your text, italic, strike through, etc., etc. So that's where the options are if you're wondering where they are. So we're going to click post, but if you click on the little arrow next to post, you have the option to select when you want to do it. So you've got post now, add to a queue, which would mean that you can select what day, what time, etc. you'd want it to be posted to. Save as a draft, so you might not be finished. You can post it privately, so only people that are following you can see, or you can schedule it for a particular time of the day. And obviously you can click on preview on blog. So we'll click on that just to see how it's going to look. So that's potentially how it's going to look. So that's fine. I'm going to click post. And that's our first post onto our brand new Tumblr blog. I'm just going to go to the profile again. So that's how it looks on that page. And then if we're taking a look, so it's simianyoutube.tumblr.com. and this is how you'd access your blog. So for more tutorials, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Cheers.